Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the briefing on Friday the 21st. Looking out the window, doesn't look very nice out there. This sort of swirling mass of cloud here. This is the midday, the overnight photograph, and there the midday one. It's been developing over Germany yesterday and sort of slowly coming our way. Don't take it by the lines here that's where the rain is going to be, or the low cloud, or the showers later. It's all a bit of a mess, difficult to predict. What you can say is that this morning certainly there'll be bands of rain coming across us at various times, and possibly the afternoon turns into a more showery air mass by the looks of it, with a trough line here. So a bit hit and miss, to be honest. Not sort of tightly packed isobars, so it's not whistling across us. It's just very slow moving, really. Pressure's about 1012, so it's been going down overnight. And Farnborough Taff, when it's two lines, you know there's a lot going on, and it's not great. Ideally, what you want is half a line, really. So key points, it's pretty much going to be east northeasterly most of the day, and as you can see, 5 knots, not strong. Scattered at 1500 feet at times. Their actual is giving a bit lower than that at the moment, and then it's all the tempo bits between now and sort of 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So 6,000 meter showers and rain broken at 1,000 feet, and another tempo, 3,000 meters rain, showers and rain broken at 800 feet. And then you've got another one chucked in there for good measure later on, 6,000 meter showers and rain broken at 1,400. I think this could be that trough line, or just more general showery area coming through later. Gatwick is obviously a bigger taff because it goes on for longer, but certainly suggests exactly the same sort of picture. The upper winds, you can see down here, quite slow moving, 10 knots, 20 knots in the middle of the country. And the sat pic just shows that cloud streaming in from the continent, but the stuff that's coming towards us is quite slow moving. Really, it's not sort of progressing our way very quickly. A little bit quicker across the Midlands and out towards Wales. Some interesting sort of wave patterns here, coming off the Welsh Hills probably. Rainfall radar. We're just watching this bit here develop, and that's what's going to be coming towards us for the next couple of hours, really. And by that time, we'll have an idea of what's behind here and the clearance in this area here, and what likelihood there is of flying this afternoon, I think. Temperature-wise, certainly not warm out there at the moment. Slightly warmer in the Midlands, they're suggesting later on, but we're sort of 9-10 degrees and a bit of a chill to the wind. Top Meteo, their cloud forecast. This is the stuff that's coming towards us. Low cloud, sort of sub 1,000 feet. And then by 1 o'clock, it looks like this is the sort of showery clearance that's heading our way in the afternoon. It's just packed full of showers in here. And the thermal picture gives the same sort of outlook as the rainfall radar, really. Fairly steady rain over us for a couple of hours up till lunchtime. Chance that didn't show up on the TAFs anywhere. Thunderstorms. That's what they're suggesting. That might be that trough line. And then a clearance in the afternoon with showers, hit and miss. don't take this as this is actually where they're going to be. It's just hit and miss showers for the afternoon. So if there is a chance of flying, it will be in the afternoon, probably, folks. Wind direction will still be the same. And cloud amounts variable, but not a great cloud base, but potential for actually getting out there and doing something later on. NOTAMs, not really a great deal going on. Further away from here, they've raised the height of the danger area a little bit up to 3,000 feet. The one from 1,300 feet here. And there's parachuting over Bryce Norton going on, and parachuting at Little Risington all day. And just something of note down here, this tiny little one here is Thorney Island, just east of Hayling Island. They've got drone operations there, and it is actually quite a big drone. I flew over it yesterday. It's probably not quite the size of a robin, but it's close. It looks quite big on the runway, and it's something they've been trialing locally here, and they have been trialing it out to the Isle of Wight and back, but it's up to 1,500 feet. So something just to be aware of down there. And I think it's going on for quite a few days. But in the Lasham area, fairly quiet. In terms of setup, there's no jet movements. It's currently scheduled for today. And if we do go out, it'll be a fairly normal 09 setup with the cables on the south side of the runway. The grass is hopefully drying quite nicely now, so we can be back to sort of a fairly standard setup for our operation. Okay, folks, so drink more cups of tea, go in the simulator, and we'll see what it's like a little bit later.